Hello, dear viewers. I'm thrilled to see you back on our channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda Prelude, a modern reincarnation of Honda's legendary coupe. With its cutting-edge design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, this model is set to make waves in the automotive world. Let's jump straight into the details. The 2025 Honda Prelude brings the essence of the classic Prelude series into the modern era, combining timeless appeal with the latest trends in automotive design and technology. The exterior of the Prelude 2025 is sleek and aerodynamic, featuring sharp lines and smooth surfaces that give it a sporty yet luxurious character. At the front, slim LED headlights and a wide grille dominate the design, exuding confidence. The side profile showcases the coupe silhouette with a sloping roofline and 19-inch lightweight alloy wheels, emphasizing its dynamic stance. At the rear, LED taillights and an integrated spoiler enhance its sporty aesthetic. Inside, the Prelude offers a premium and futuristic cabin crafted with high-quality materials. A 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster and a 14-inch multimedia display provide a tech-forward experience. Honda's latest Honda Sensing Suite ensures top-tier safety features, giving drivers and passengers peace of mind. The Bose premium audio system delivers exceptional sound quality, making every journey enjoyable. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Prelude offers two powertrain options. 1. Set hybrid version, a combination of a 2.0-liter gasoline engine and an electric motor delivering 220 horsepower. This setup ensures reduced fuel consumption and lower emissions. 2. Plug-in hybrid, PHEV version, capable of driving 60 kilometers on pure electric power, with a combined output of 250 horsepower. Both versions come with Honda's updated 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive driving, whether in urban settings or on highways. The Prelude 2025 competes with models like the Toyota Supra and Nissan Z. However, its hybrid technology and Honda's reputation for reliability make it stand out in the market. Pricing for the 2025 Prelude is expected to start around $40,000, with initial launches in the US and European markets. Global availability is anticipated by mid-2025. Thank you for watching this detailed overview of the 2025 Honda Prelude. I hope this model has sparked your interest as much as it has mine. Honda's iconic coupe is back, and it's ready to take the automotive world by storm. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What feature of the Prelude 2225 impressed you the most? Until next time, take care and stay safe.